Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make beef pulao. So let's make it. The ingredients for beef pulao are: I've taken 3 glasses of rice, sela rice. Then I have taken almost half kg of beef. Then boiled it in ginger garlic paste, and I've frozen it, so I'm using the frozen one. So you can just take the beef, half kg of beef, and then boil it with ginger garlic paste, and then you can use that. Then these are the masala ingredients. So starting from garam masala, I've taken 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of flake chili, red flake chili, a few cinnamon sticks, 2 to 3, 10 to 15 black pepper, brown pepper, then half teaspoon of red chili, then cloves, 7 to 8 cloves. I've also taken half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of garam seeds, a few bay leaves, 3 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So let's start making. 3 medium-sized chopped onions. In a pan, take almost 250 ml of oil, and then we'll add onions for frying. Let me mix it and fry it, and then we'll show you the result. You can see after frying it till kind of golden brown, you can see the color. So at this point of time, we'll be adding water. See the color of onions. Now I'll be adding spices. After adding water, you can see it's kind of mixed properly with the onions. So at that point of time, I'll be adding spices. One small tip: don't add spices directly into the fried onions. You will burn the spice. So it's better you just add a little bit of water and then add spices. Now you can see the spices are properly mixed. I've just cooked it for 1 minute, that's it. And now I'll be adding beef, boiled beef in it. I'll be adding almost so that the beef is properly blended with the spices. Now you can see after having the meat properly blended with the spices, you can see now I've added rice in it. So the rough rule is that we normally put rice and add just a little water. See, I'm kind of 1 inch or half inch of water. Half inch of water. If the pot is really big, so just take half inch of water. It should be kind of in half inch of a height. And if the pot is small, then you can have 1 inch of height of water. Don't add too much water. I'll be cooking it and then we'll be sharing the result. You can see over here all the water is dried up, almost dry, just a little bit is left. So this is the point of giving what we can say, putting it on a very low flame, and what we call the dum procedure. So let's dum it for about 15 minutes. Tasty beef pulao is ready to be served. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.